This video shows how to buy shares of Biofrontera Inc., ticker BFRI. Biofrontera is a dermatology and photodynamic therapy company listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BFRI to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Biofrontera Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart and recent data. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will usually be queued to execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same example.